Hi, my name is Andy, Product Manager at Hydro Flask. I'm going to show you how to disassemble, clean, and assemble your wide mouth FlexZip lid. To disassemble your FlexZip lid, first twist the lid counterclockwise into the closed position. Continue to twist the lid counterclockwise to remove. Next, remove the red seal and flip the lid over to the bottom. Then twist the bottom piece counterclockwise. Now you're ready to clean. When you're ready to assemble your FlexZip lid, grab the piece with the flex strap handle and the side 1 facing up. Grab your bottom piece and twist it into side 1 clockwise until it stops. Now flip your lid over to side 2. Grab the red seal with the text facing up. Press it into side 2, making sure it's securely in place. Grab the top of your lid and press it into side 2. Twist the lid clockwise into the closed position. Now you're ready to grab some coffee, twist on your wide mouth FlexZip lid, and let's go.